Hey, I'm Yuneji, and I'm just going to explain really quickly about how to use proxies in mineflayer or Node Minecraft protocol. So I'm just going to first explain how to use a proxy with an online server. So this, I already put in username, password, and host port for a Minecraft server, and host port for the host, password, and username for a proxy. And I put into a file, and then I just have a listener that'll console.log when the bot spawns. So I'll link all this code here in the description. So when I run this, it should just connect to the server. If you get this message and it just disconnects, it means you're using a proxy that has weaker encryption. So you can bypass this by just adding this line to the top of your code or uncommenting it out and then just running it again, and you should connect to the server. Yep, it spawned. Now I can check that server, and you can see on the top the account connected. And then when I stop, it disconnects from this game. It's really small. Regardless, now I'm going to show you an example of what would happen if you tried to use a proxy on localhost. So you're going to get this, right? SOX5 proxy rejected connection, not allowed. So the reason you get this is because you're trying to connect to localhost, which in my case, I didn't port forward my server that I'm using to allow the bot to connect to it. And since you're using a proxy, you're technically connecting from outside your own network. So you're just going to get not allowed because the port isn't forwarded. And if you want to use an offline server, you have to add the skip validation part to your code. And in the online example, I had an agent added to my options for create bot, which basically this routes all the um, authentication requests for YGG Drowsel through this proxy as well. Otherwise, um, you'll be hitting Mojang with your real IP. But if you add this proxy agent, then you'll be hitting that as well with the proxy. But you can remove this and just add skip validation, since you don't have to actually validate your account if you're using an offline server. The rest is filled out already. You should be able to just run this example as well and log into the server. See, my offline account connected, spawned, and that's that. That's basically what you have to watch out for, and all this code will be linked in the description so you can know how to use it. Cool, thanks.